Yeah, this is still our welding test live showroom, and still welcome Mr. Zhang to give us another machine's welding test. Yeah, is this the MMA 500V? Yes, and please say hello again to our audience.
Hi everyone. 下面呢，我们来介绍一款又是一款非常好看，并且带有一元化机器的一个手工焊机。
Yeah, now let's begin with this another quite useful machine with synergic setting.
这款焊机呢，就是说更容易让我们一些在焊机过程中的那一些新手啊，更容易上手，操作起来更简练。
Yeah, this machine is designed for our entry-level welders. Yeah, it's easy to operate and to setting all the parameters.
当然了，这也是一款工业当中非常经典的机器。
It's also a quite typical industrial using machine. Yeah, it can be used as a quite large current range.
它同样可以焊好多种板材，比如说碳钢、不锈钢、铜等等。
Also, it can use for different materials of workpiece: carbon steel, stainless steel, copper, and other metal piece.
那么同样的，这一款焊机可以焊接各个直径的焊条，比如说2.5、3.2、4.0、5.0都可以焊。
And also, it's suitable for many kinds of electrode in different diameters, from 2.5 to 5.0 millimeters.
并且呢，这一款机器还有热起壶调节，电弧推力调节，这两个功能在实际使用当中对我们焊接帮助非常大。
And also, this machine contains two important functions. One is arc force and another is hot start. These two functions works well in our life and it's quite useful and practical in our actual welding life.
然后这一款焊机绝对是我们专业焊工的一个必备之品。
It's a quite good choice for our professional welders. It will be a good helper for you to do any welding project at home or outside.
它会完成你所需要的各种焊接工艺。
Yes, it can fulfill all your welding requirements for any job you want.
同样的，我们来测试这款焊机，同样的在焊接一种飞电量比较大的这个不锈钢焊条，那么看一看这款机器焊接出来的焊接效果是怎么样子的。
Under common situation, the stainless steel will have a large spatter, and today we will use this kind of electrode with our machines just to show you how our machines works well to reduce the spatter of the stainless steel electrode.
那么我认为这款机器呢应该有不错的表现。
And we believe this machine works well in this point.
那么好，那么下面呢我进行一个焊接操作。
Now let's begin the testing.
首先我要把这个我焊接的是10毫米的不锈钢板。
Let's see, the workpiece thickness is 10 millimeters. Yeah.
用的是4.0的不锈钢焊条。
With 4 millimeters diameter of stainless steel electrode.
我先进行一个定位焊。先等一下，我把这个东西焊起来。
Now he's trying to make the workpiece stable. Okay, so he's doing the adjustment. Yeah.
先稍微等一下。
Okay, he's doing the adjustment for a different electrode or for the workpiece.
连接出现的问题，我要去检查一下。
Yes, there's. Yeah. Now he is trying to adjust the different parameters of this machine. As we mentioned before, this machine have two functions: arc force and hot start. For hot start, it's a function quite useful when you start an arc, because it will add a different current when you start the arc, so it's easier for welders to start the arc at first. Yeah, and then the arc force is a function Okay, let's see. Yep, the machine is worked well. Yes, now he's finished with the adjustment, and now he's doing the test.
那么现在开始焊接。
Now the testing.
用这个4个人的。
Yes, with this electrode at 4 millimeters. Okay.
那我准备焊接了啊。
Yep. Don't forget to weld the mask on. Okay, the same as the former machine, we can see the whole process. It's just moves smooth. Yes. And the arc is stable. And for sure, Ms. Zhang thinks arc is stable as well. As we can see, the spatter is not very large. Okay.
我认为这个应该是比较不错的焊缝，因为我在焊接过程当中感觉到它非常稳定。
Yes, Ms. Zhang think it will be an excellent welding bead because when he doing the welding, yeah, the arc is stable all around the welding time.
然后我们还是用这个一个敲打锤来把它给清理一下。
And also, the small hammer is a good helper when you're cleaning the dust. Yeah. And also, the hammer can be purchased separately if you're interested in.
那么呢，这个焊搭呢非常的好清理。那么我感觉这个飞溅量也特别少，然后这个焊缝还是比较 OK 的。
Yes, the dust is easy to be cleaned up, and the welding bead, just as our show, is quite pretty.
那么这一台焊机是一款非常专业、适合专业焊工使用的一台焊机，效果非常棒。
So this is a professional machines for professional welders with excellent welding performance.
它同样的也是一个非常经典的焊机，让我更容易上手。
And also, it's a typical designing of MMA machines, and it's easy for entry levels to start using a welding machine.
当然了，它还有其他更好的功能和更卓越的性能。那么等着大家呢一起来看这台机器。
And also, it has others gorgeous functions with other very good optional functions, and waiting you and I to find it together.
OK。
Okay, thank you, Mr. Zhang, and thank you for all the audience.